Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing and reaction video. I am Beaver and this is HGD1. I bought from Banggood when it was like $149 because they sort of put the wrong prices in. So all the package, there are 3 packages of this car. They have the chassis only, the chassis with brush motor, which I got here, and the other one was the chassis with brushless motor, which I couldn't buy it because it was out of stock by the time I bought this one. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, before we do that, first I would like to point out that the box is absolutely thin like this. You know, I am really surprised they can fit all of the stuff in here, because this is usually the box that the car comes in. This is my DRZ, and you can see it is much thicker. But again, this box is a little bit bigger in some other aspect. So let's open it up. Right, so here's all the components. As I said earlier, this is a brushed version, so it comes with brush motor, brushed ESC, and a gyro. We will talk about that later. Right now let's look at the chassis. This is a rear-wheel drive drift chassis, and it is actually based on Mini QQ5OP, which is a chassis that is all aluminum, as you can see. Starting from the rear assembly, this is the rear diff, or in this case they give us solid axle. Top plate and bottom plate, I can see. One other thing about this is that you can adjust the camber by moving this link in and out. Motor mount, side clips slot, another plate, all the springs, servo mount. This I guess should be the rear tow bar, and front knuckles. They also give you wheels and tires in this version. The tires are curved tires. It is actually really good. It's like what I had with the first batch of DRZ. Wow, okay, I wasn't expecting this, but okay, this is really good. I'm gonna put them all in so you can see how good they are. Oh, there's a bit of excess plastic, came off pretty easily. Okay. So far so good. I'm really impressed with this package. Wow, this is really good. Okay, so and then finally in this bag we have the rear hubs. I'm gonna put them all back in because I'm gonna do a build video, so we know what comes from which bag. Next, let's move on to the electronics. Again, I couldn't bought the brushless, so I got the brush version. Okay, so there's no capacitor here, but it should work anyway. Okay, this is a little bit unexpected, so I guess this looks like the Dumbo RC that I got. If it is from Dumbo RC, it is really good. If it is from the Mini Q, the Sino Hobby, the first version, it's going to be pretty bad. Anyway, we're gonna find out later when I build it. And in this version, you got a charger, 2-cell LiPo battery, which is pretty well packed in here. Okay, so I'll try to cut it without cutting into the battery. Be really careful when doing this. Right. The battery is 2-cell LiPo, 300 mAh, and no other label on it. This looks like the Giant Power that I have, which is really good battery. Next, we have all the double-sided tape. Oh, this is not double-sided tape, it is Velcro. Again, still really good. And double-sided tape, this is a padded thick foam for the gyro. And these are Velcro, I presume, for the receiver. Next, we have a servo. This Metal Gear servo, as you can see, and it is really good. I have done a little bit of test in one of my videos, so I'm gonna put a link down below so you can check it out. And here's the star of this show. This is a gyro, because all rear-wheel drive cars need gyro. And this unit is what I am looking for, because it is actually the same unit that you got in XRX and Eco Racing, and also Yeah Racing. So it is supposed to be really good. All in all, this is very small and very good. I have nothing else to say about this package, except I'm gonna clean all the bearings and then I'm gonna build it. Oh, by the way, as you can see, they don't give you any instruction, but it should be pretty easy to build, because as I said earlier, it is based on Mini Q Q5 or Mini Q Q5 OP, which is a very easy car to build. By the way, I forgot to mention that this is only kit with electronics. You'll have to provide your own receiver and a body. The wheelbase is adjustable, so you can do from 86 to 100 and beyond. So it is really flexible chassis that you can put many different body on it. And I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you again when I build it. Bye.